Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Today, we're diving into the nitty-gritty of automotive repair with a hands-on guide. If you've ever considered taking on the challenge of removing the transmission from your vehicle, you're in the right place. In this step-by-step DIY guide, we'll walk you through the process, making it accessible for both seasoned mechanics and those new to the garage. Let's embark on this empowering journey of removing the transmission from your vehicle. Guide, removing the transmission from your vehicle. When it comes to ensuring your vehicle runs smoothly, understanding how to remove the transmission is a crucial skill. In this post, we will cover the step-by-step process of removing a transmission, providing you with the knowledge and confidence to tackle this task successfully. Proper maintenance of your vehicle is essential for its longevity and performance, and knowing how to remove the transmission is a valuable aspect of this maintenance. Preparation for transmission removal. Before you start removing the transmission, it's crucial to thoroughly prepare for the task. This involves gathering the necessary tools and equipment and ensuring safety measures are in place. Gathering the necessary tools and equipment. Ensure you have the following tools and equipment ready before beginning the transmission removal process: jack stands and a floor jack to lift and support the vehicle safely, socket set and ratchet for removing bolts and connectors, transmission jack or suitable lifting equipment to support the transmission, torque wrench for precise tightening of bolts upon reinstallation, pry bars or a crowbar to aid in separating components, drain pan to catch any fluid that may leak during the process, safety glasses and gloves to protect yourself from dirt, grime and potential hazards, work light or flashlight for better visibility under the vehicle, penetrating oil to loosen stubborn fasteners, service manual or repair guide for your specific vehicle, make and model. Having these tools and equipment ready will ensure a smoother and more efficient transmission removal process. Ensuring safety measures. Safety should always be the top priority when working on any vehicle maintenance or repair task. Before starting the transmission removal, ensure the following safety measures are in place. Chock the wheels to prevent the vehicle from rolling. Wear appropriate personal protective equipment such as safety glasses and gloves. Securely lift and support the vehicle on jack stands to provide a stable working environment. Follow proper lifting techniques to avoid strains or injuries. Disconnect the battery to prevent any electrical mishaps during the process. Work in a well-ventilated area to minimize exposure to exhaust fumes and other harmful substances. Taking these safety precautions will help prevent accidents and ensure a safe working environment while removing the transmission from the vehicle. When it comes to removing the transmission, it's essential to follow a systematic process to ensure a smooth and efficient operation. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you through the process. Draining the transmission fluid. Begin by locating the transmission fluid drain plug underneath the vehicle. Place a drain pan beneath the drain plug to catch the fluid. Carefully remove the drain plug and allow the fluid to drain completely. Once the fluid has drained, securely replace the drain plug. Disconnecting the battery and drivetrain components. Disconnect the vehicle's battery to ensure safety while working on the transmission. Next, disconnect all drivetrain components, including the drive shaft and any linkages connected to the transmission. Supporting the transmission and removing mounts. Use a transmission jack to support the weight of the transmission as you prepare to remove it. Once the transmission is adequately supported, proceed to remove any mounts or brackets securing it to the vehicle. Lowering and removing the transmission. With the appropriate support in place, begin lowering the transmission from its position under the vehicle. Take caution and ensure that there are no remaining connections before fully removing the transmission from the vehicle. By following these steps in removing the transmission, you can effectively carry out the task without complications. Inspecting the transmission and related components. When it comes to removing a transmission, a critical step is inspecting the transmission and its related components for wear, damage, and any other potential issues that may require attention. These inspections can help prevent future problems and ensure a smooth reinstallation process. Checking for wear and damage. Begin by carefully examining the transmission casing for any signs of cracks, leaks, or other visible damage. Inspect the gears for wear patterns, chipping, or any irregularities that may indicate the need for replacement. Additionally, check the seals and gaskets for signs of wear and tear to prevent potential leaks in the future. Inspecting clutch and flywheel if applicable. If the vehicle is equipped with a manual transmission, it's essential to inspect the clutch and flywheel for wear and damage. Look for any signs of uneven wear on the clutch disc, pressure plate and flywheel surface. Additionally, check for oil contamination, hot spots or glazing on the friction surfaces. Any abnormalities should prompt further inspection or replacement to ensure proper function upon reinstallation. Regularly inspecting these components will not only help identify any existing issues, but also prevent potential future problems, ultimately contributing to the overall efficiency and longevity of the vehicle's transmission system. Benefits of knowing how to remove the transmission. Knowing how to remove the transmission from your vehicle can offer several benefits, making it a valuable skill for any DIY mechanic. Cost savings and DIY maintenance. By learning how to remove the transmission, you can save a significant amount of money on labor costs for transmission repairs or replacements. Professional transmission repair services often come with high hourly rates and markups on parts. With the ability to undertake this task yourself, you can bypass these expenses and only pay for the necessary replacement parts. This also empowers you to take control of your vehicle's maintenance, ensuring that the work is done to your satisfaction and in a timely manner, without being at the mercy of a mechanic's schedule. Improved understanding of vehicle mechanics. Gaining the knowledge of how to remove the transmission provides you with a deeper understanding of your vehicle's intricate mechanical systems. You'll become more familiar with the transmission's role in transferring power from the engine to the wheels and how it interacts with other components of the vehicle. This knowledge will not only enhance your confidence in handling transmission-related issues, but also improve your overall comprehension of automotive mechanics, empowering you to tackle other maintenance and repair tasks with greater ease and effectiveness. By learning how to remove the transmission, you not only save on costs, but also gain valuable insight into the inner workings of your vehicle, empowering you to take charge of maintenance and repairs while fostering a deeper understanding of automotive engineering. In conclusion, removing a transmission may seem like a daunting task, but with the right knowledge and tools, it can be manageable for any DIY enthusiast. Prioritizing regular maintenance and understanding the process of transmission removal empowers you to take control of your vehicle's upkeep and potentially save on costly repairs. By following the key points outlined in this guide, you can approach transmission removal with confidence and ensure the longevity of your vehicle's performance. Remember, knowledge is power, and with the right resources you can tackle this task and many others with ease. As we wrap up this DIY guide on removing the transmission from your vehicle, we hope you found the steps clear and the process less daunting. We're always here to guide you through your garage adventures. Until next time, happy wrenching and safe travels on the road. Please comment, like, share and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.